Celebrities are reaching out on Twitter to show love and support for Demi Lovato after it was reported by TMZ that she was hospitalized after a heroin overdose. This was shocking news for many of Demi's fans and friends. TMZ reported that Demi Lovato was transported to a hospital after an apparent heroin overdose just before noon today. Apparently, the paramedics found Demi unconscious when they arrived at her home in the Hollywood Hills. Law enforcement told TMZ that she was treated at home with Narcan, which is an emergency treatment for narcotic overdoses. Thankfully, a source told People that Demi is currently, quote, okay and stable. Friends and supporters of Demi have been sharing their thoughts on this shocking story on Twitter. Ariana Grande simply tweeted, quote, I love you, Demi Lovato. YouTuber James Charles quote tweeted the TMZ article and said, I'm gonna f***ing cry. Maren Morris responded saying, quote, I don't even know what to say except I'm thinking of you, Demi Lovato. Ellen Degeneres took a moment to show her support, writing, I love Demi Lovato so much. It breaks my heart that she is going through this. She is a light in this world, and I am sending my love to her and her family. And country artist Brad Paisley tweeted, quote, my friend Demi Lovato is one of the kindest, most talented people I've ever met. Praying for her right now. Addiction is a terrifying disease. There is no one more honest or brave than this woman. Adam Lambert shared his sentiments, saying, hang in there, Demi Lovato, sending good energy and love. BB Rexa tweeted, quote, I'm praying for you with everything in me, Demi Lovato. You are so loved. And Kehlani shared her well wishes, saying, quote, sending huge recovery love to Demi. This is a very personal moment and respected delicately. All we can do is send our best wishes and love. Addiction isn't simple nor easy. You're very loved, Demi Lovato. You'll beat this as you did before. Meghan Trainor expressed love, saying simply, Demi Lovato, we love you. And Riverdale star Lilly Reinhardt shared a personal story, writing, quote, praying for Demi Lovato and her health. When I was 14, she was an idol to me in how she spoke so openly about mental health. And now she continues to inspire thousands of young men and women with her body positivity messages. Addiction and mental illness doesn't discriminate. Our thoughts are with Demi and her friends and family right now. We'll be bringing you more details as this story develops. Thank you for watching Clevver Newsfeed. I'm your host, Ava Gordy, and I'll see you guys soon.